Hi, and welcome back to Peggy's Pearls. Today's pearl is about how to enter and record all the different kinds of payment things that we might have, like multiple payments from a customer, or maybe we paid our customers shipping. They're $4. So we're going to talk about some of those things and how to enter them. It's so quick and easy, and that way you have a record of those things, whether you paid for it or she paid multiple payments. So the first thing is when a customer has paid you multiple payments. We've all had it happen, and quite often actually, where a customer says they want to pay half cash, half credit card, or half check, half credit card, whatever. And so when you get to the software, most of the time you simply click on the button that says single payment method and the drop down arrow, and then you say whether cash, check, MasterCard, Visa, Discover, whatever. Now that's this button right here. But if you've noticed, there's a button over here that says multi-payment. And you're going to click on the multi-payment button, and then you're going to see this blue box pop up. And what this is, it allows you to put all those different payments in. So you're going to go down here to the bottom where you see number, and let's say she paid cash and credit card. So the first payment you want to enter is the credit card, maybe, and so you just put in number 1, and then click the drop down arrow on account and click undeposited funds. Then put in how she paid, credit card, and then the amount, $30, and then add payment. That's going to show up in this blue box, and then you go back down here and payment number 2, undeposited funds, and maybe this time she paid cash, and then the amount, and add payment. What's going to happen is now your payment thing should zero out. If those 2 payments added up to her total, then now you've zeroed out and you've entered all her payments. Now, if she paid the full amount minus her shipping, because you offered that as a special, then you want to show that you paid that $4. It's very important to keep track of our expenses. And so it's very simple to do. You're going to enter it in that same box. You'll enter her payment, and then you'll see that there's a balance of $4 left. And all you're going to do is simply click on the button that says write off. And when you do that, it's going to automatically write off that $4. And so you'll be able to see that on your profit and loss statement under returns and allowances. And you're going to be able to, that way you have a record of everything that you spent because you paid that $4. Okay, now there's one other thing I want to tell you about, and that is recording payments for an entire home show. Normally, when you send in a home show, once you click send to Premiere, then all the income and expenses and everything from that home show go everywhere that it needs to go in the software, magically. But when you don't send it to Premiere from the software, then those items are not recorded. So let's say you just got the software, you want to go back and enter some shows that you sent on Premiere's website, but you want to put them in your software so you have a record of all those customers and your expenses and income and everything. So you go back, you enter the home shows, and then when you go to the order screen and you have them all listed there, then you're going to simply highlight the order that you're wanting to record. And so you highlight it, and then you're going to right click on that order, and where it says change sent date, you're going to simply put in the sent date of when you actually did send the show into Premiere. That way your records are good and when everything happened. And then you're going to go up to where the button is that says send to Premiere, but instead of clicking that one, you're going to click on record payment. And when you click on record payment, then that's going to take care of putting all the information where it needs to go for your income and your expenses. Hope that helps. It's just one more reason to have it, love it.